dear children? How are you? Fine. Very good. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to study a new unit. Unit 2, Still We Rise. Unit 2, Still We Rise. In this unit we will study 3 lessons. Cinderella. We will study about Cinderella's story. Then one child, one teacher, one pen and one book can change the world. It is a lesson about Malala Yousafzai. Then third one is a poem, Woman Work by Maya Angelou. Okay. Page number 40. One newspaper report is given. Look at the newspaper report given below. 10-year-old girl dies of torture by stepmother. Lucknow. A 10-year-old girl surrendered to death at the Medical College Hospital here on Thursday on being tortured by her stepmother. According to the police, the deceased is Salaha, daughter of Aravind, Indiranagar, Lucknow. Salaga was a student of class 6 of Government High School at Indiranagar. She was admitted with serious injuries to a hospital in the city around 6 p.m. on Thursday. The doctors who found the parents' explanation unsatisfactory informed the police. Later, she was shifted to the Medical College Hospital where she died around 11 p.m. Preliminary medical reports confirmed that the girl had undergone extreme physical torture which resulted in her death. There were several marks on her body. Local residents said that they had informed Childline activists about the incidents. What do you understand from this newspaper report? What is the news report about? Death of a 10-year-old girl. This newspaper report is about the death of a 10-year-old girl. What is the reason for the girl's death? What is the reason for the girl's death? Torture by her stepmother. Torture by her stepmother. Valarthammeyude upadravam, Valarthammeyude peedanam. What would you do if such a thing happened in your locality? What would you do if such a thing happened in your locality? You can fight for their rights or you can help them. You can fight for their rights or you can help them. Then have you ever come across such incidents in your life? Have you ever come across such incidents in your life? If you see such type of incident, what can you do? You can inform the police or you can inform child helpline number. Do you know child helpline number? 1098. Okay. Next we are moving to the story of Cinderella. Let me ask some questions. Who does all the work at your home? Who does all the work at your home? Your mother, father, you or your brother or sister? What kind of work do you do? What kind of work you do in your home? Cooking, cleaning, sweeping, washing clothes. Imagine that you have to do all the household works alone. How will it be? You are doing all the works in home. Is it possible? What will happen? You will get tired. Okay. Or try to think of such a girl who does all domestic work without having proper food, clothing, etc. So imagine a girl in the house is doing all the works alone without proper food, without proper clothing, etc. Please imagine such a condition. So we are going to study about such a girl in the story Cinderella. Okay, read the story of such a girl. Let's see the story. Once there lived a rich man with his wife and a beautiful daughter. One day his wife fell ill. She felt that she was going to die. So she called her only daughter near and said, "Dear child, I think I have to part with you. Be good and pious. God will always be with you and will help you." Saying thus, she died. The girl felt very sad and lonely. Do you know what happened then? To add to her grief, her father soon married a proud and unkind woman who had 2 daughters. Can you imagine how the woman treated the poor girl? So you read the story of Cinderella, read the story very well, then find out the meaning of unfamiliar words, means new words, from the glossary or dictionary. So read the story very well and mark the new words and find out the meaning of the words from the glossary or dictionary, and also write the main events of the story. Okay, so we will discuss the story in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you.